right next door to the Alamo here in downtown San Antonio. It's the Emily Morgan. One of the most haunted hotels in Texas, the nation, certainly San Antonio. Wore many different hats here. It's an office building, was a medical arts building. It's a hospital at some point. I came in here years ago. And I'm not kidding, this place freaked me out. I gotta go do it again. I don't know what it is about this hotel, but it literally gave me goosebumps. You go back and watch the old video, I'm serious. It is, it's weird. I don't know what it is, I just remember it being really weird. So we're gonna go check it out again. Look at the architecture on this. I'm in the middle of the street and there's a police officer there, so let me cross over, but look at this. Attention to detail. So, this is a Hilton property. We're gonna go in, get in the elevator, which scared the absolute crickets out of me last time. Okay. The Yellow Rose, Texas. Smells clean, they're cleaning. Here's the lobby. And the bar. All right, we're going up. Unless we need a key card. I remember there being like a post office drop somewhere down here. Let's see. Oh, great. Biggest fears, getting stuck in an elevator. I think this is it. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go to 10. You notice here that there is no 13th floor. And the reason there is because, I don't know, but I had heard that it was a morgue, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like 2 more extra floors, which is kind of weird. Okay. See, that took way too long. Way too long. Already uncomfortable. You've paused there for a minute, right? And then say what you want, guys and gals. So this is it. Got all the hallways. But yeah, I think the 13th floor was a morgue back when this was a hospital. Let's go ask. I almost want to take the stairs back down. But yeah, people do ghost tours here, ghost hunting, set up in rooms. Oh, here it is, the mail drop. Yeah, so back in the day, you would put your mail down in here. Just drop your packages off. Check out the lights above the elevators. I can hear somebody here. I don't see anyone. The elevators take forever. Y'all heard that, right? It sounded like, I know you heard that. I heard that. Do you hear these elevators? I'm not going in that one. That one says out of order. There's no way. All right, kid you not. Okay, the light went off. So that guy I just rode in the elevator with, he's on the phone right now, talking about how the 13th was a morgue. I just heard him answer the phone and say, the hotel we're staying at is haunted. I made it down, by the way. Oh, here we go. Emily, free woman. It's got the whole timeline here. Hotel purchased by Houston-based. All right. And the restaurant's called the Oro, by the way. I went and talked to the gentleman at the front. He said it's allegedly haunted, and they do have tours, and people come here all the time. But he didn't believe. He wasn't a believer. I am. Oh, there's something eerie about that place. Here she is. See you next time.